This right here, Italian sausage. Okay, look, I'm an American, but I have some Italian in me. Let's see if I can pull this off. Here we go. Okay, first step, we're gonna take our hot Italian sausage links, put them in the bubbly for about 5 minutes. That's it, we're only gonna par cook these. Take them out, set them to the side. EVO in. We're gonna bring that up to the temperature called smoking hot. Nice hot pan, smoking hot pan, sausage inside. Reduce your heat. So what we're doing, we want to get that sizzle, that sear, because we want to pull that flavor. We're building our sauce now in this pan. Well, not sauce, but we're building a lot of flavor here, okay? So we want to get that nice caramelization on there. All right, look at that color, nice color on there. Let this side go another couple minutes. My heat's not too high, it's pretty low. You don't want to burn nothing, but we want to extract some flavor here. Drop in that garlic. Gonna roast up that garlic, bring out some of those flavors. Okay, I got color on both sides of these sausages. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them out of the pan once again. We're gonna deglaze this pan with our Marsala wine. Oh yeah. That's gonna pull up all that flavor that we built with that sausage. Reduce that by half. Banana pepper, pimento pepper. Beautiful, julienne. Or more like Bannan. Onions and 3 types of bell pepper right there. Salt and pepper, always season high. Sausage back into the pan. Don't leave none of that juice behind, right into the pan. Okay, I call this optional sexiness. We're gonna get a grill pan, if you will, and we're gonna lay that down. Hoagie roll, sausage, peppers, oh yeah, oh yeah, basil, fold it, place onto your hot pan, press down, get a nice toast on that bread. Now we turn and we do the other side. Oh, beautiful. It's a little hot. Boom! Just like that. Italian sausage and pepper sandwich. Sexy. You like it? I'm to the YouTube community.
What? What, princess?
Papa, let the boil. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. Smoking hot. Here we go. Here we go. Italian sauce! You see all that spit that came out right there?